Hi first graders, I miss you. This is my first video for you and I'm wearing a hat for the occasion. We don't usually get to wear hats at school, but it's a special day because it's my first video, and so maybe you can wear a hat too if you like hats like me. I'm going to read you a book called Barn Owls, and this is a nonfiction book by Melissa Hill. And barn owls are a particular type of owl. They're very common around here, and they get their name because they actually like to sleep and make their nests in barns. Barn owls. The table of contents. Shriek in the night. Hiss. What was that? It was a barn owl. Barn owls don't hoot like other owls do. These pale owls shriek and hiss. Worldly owls. Barn owls live near open fields and deserts. They're often found inside empty buildings like barns. That's how they got their name. Ooh. Barn owls are rarely seen during the day, but they live all over the world. Barn owls live on every continent but Antarctica, and you can see the barn owl range map. Everywhere that is yellow are where barn owls live. Hungry hunters. Barn owls are raptors. These flying hunters weigh 1 pound. Their wings stretch out about 3.5 feet. Barn owls are nocturnal. In the dark, they hunt prey by listening. Their heart-shaped faces catch sounds made by small animals. If you remember from our studies, that's called the facial disc. You can see a little mouse right there. An owl flies toward the sound of its prey. His long legs stretch out. He grabs the mouse with his talons. A barn owl can eat 1,000 mice in a year. They also eat other rodents, rabbits, and small birds. In the wild, barn owls can live 10 years or more. A family to feed. Those are some baby owlets, the barn owlets. Barn owls need to be good hunters. They have large families to feed. They may have as many as 9 chicks each year. After 2 months, barn owl chicks can fly. Soon they will be hunting too. Small animals, look out. Here's the glossary. Here's some words that we heard in the story. The continent, one of Earth's 7 large land masses. Hiss, to make a sound like a snake. Nocturnal, you know that one, to be active at night and rest during the day. Predator, that means an animal that hunts other animals for food. Prey, an animal that is hunted by other animals for food. Raptor, a bird of prey that hunts and eats other animals, catching them with their feet. Rodent, one of a group of small mammals with large front teeth for chewing. Shriek, a high scream or call. Talon, a long, sharp, curved claw. And if you're interested to learn more, you can ask your grown-ups to check out this information on some other books that can be looked up and some internet sites that you could get help with.